Are you watching me? Okay, first step they say for installing a comp phaser limiter to make sure your valve doesn't open in your pistons.
Disclaimer, watch at your own risk. I'm not a professional mechanic, just a guy trying to keep his old Chevy alive without going bankrupt. We learn together around here.
After taking off that cam phaser, it's very important to install the safety nut to make sure that the trigger wheel doesn't come off. If it comes off, you're gonna ruin this. It cannot be reassembled, and it's gonna ditch it, and you're gonna have to buy another one. So let's don't handle this thing by this thin piece of metal when you take it out. Otherwise, it's gonna slip off. And that spring, a big heavy-duty spring over here, it's gonna unwind, and that's what it be. So that being said, find a pin that actually grabs the coil spring. Put it on your vise, phaser nut. The next after that, that's going to be a pivot bolt. We will not be taking that out. Now I have to take the pressure off the spring before taking that apart. Okay, now I need a ratchet. Okay, so the thing is, I'm going to show you up close. This tool, this thing will be grabbing the top of the spring, not the pin itself. If you grab the pin, it won't budge. You have to grab the top of the spring. Then you're gonna compress the spring. Then this little tool here can be coming in this part like this. That's gonna lock your tool to this part. So your spring can be away from the pin. Let's work on it. Allô, son? Comment ça va? Hey. Ouais, comprends, il fait ça d'affaires. Then you're gonna compress the spring. Then this little tool here can be coming in this part like this. That's gonna lock your tool to this part. Allô, son? Comment ça va? Ouais, comprends, il fait ça d'affaires. Ouais. C'est pour ça le moteur qu'il n'en faut pas. Le moteur de truck, il ne peut pas réparer son truck. Le moteur est brisé. Fait que là, il faut que je fasse un nouveau moteur. Après ça, il va durer encore bien longtemps. Right now, press like and subscribe so I can make money to entertain you. Easy peasy. Okay, there's different models. I've used the round holes to take the spring away off the pin. So then it's locked up like this.
In another word, what I'm trying to say is that in the instruction, they give you the impression that they're using the square holes to put that tool in there, see? But by doing that, it didn't give me enough leeway between the head of the spring and the dowel pin. So I don't have enough movement to be able to take the back plate out of the way. So what I did, I ratchet in this 3/8 square hole. I forced the tool a little bit over like that, and instead of using the square holes, I used the round holes. Kind of awkward, but it still works very well. So by doing that, it moved my tool a little bit further off, so it pulled my spring further away from the dowel pin. So that was a safe way of doing it. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
So next step, there's one bolt that's going to be used as a pivot. So that's the pin that grabs the spring. So now we're going to leave the second bolt after that pin as a pivot. Telling us to remove the bolt. You got to take some precautions that plate doesn't come off. It'll be a fucking disaster if it does. Boom, that's out as a pivot. Then we're going to take this little block, the notch side going in first. Man, this part is well made, man. There's a lot of engineering in there. This is like a Vickers style van pump. The oil pressure goes in there and actually like an oil pump. Okay, so now I guess it's time to put this together. Put it back in the boat. Yeah, I like that.
It's like a big torque spring. That thing goes off, it's gonna unwind and it's gonna be over. You're gonna have a real good party putting that thing together.
Then you gotta make sure that this long special bolt that's actual thin goes at the same place where it's gonna grab the spring. That's it. So now I have a comp phaser limiter. Now I'm gonna take off this tool, the holder. Carefully. Everything's back in its position. The spring is grabbing on the fin. And boom, that's it.